Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find the facts and features of a particular real estate on the Zillow application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the search button down below and type in your location into the search bar that you can find at the top of the screen. Here you can see the properties, so tap on the relevant one that you are interested in to check out its details. You should wait a few seconds, then scroll down. So here you can see the basic information at the top, special information, but in more details. You should scroll down, and here you can find the facts and features section. You can see more information by tapping on this see more button. Tap on it, and here you can see the interior details, and every other property details are also available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.